guys, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're here with the Asian elephant and the strike. So guys, who do you think would win if these two animals got into a fight?
I think the Asian elephant would win because it's bigger.
Really? I think the strike would win because size doesn't matter.
Size doesn't matter. The Asian elephant is such an obvious win.
Well, we should ask an expert. Let's take it to Eduardo.
The Asian elephant versus the strike, that's a hard one. Tiny versus massive, size doesn't matter. I'm your host, Eduardo, and here we will explore battles between the tiny strike and the massive Asian elephant. And now to our wildlife expert, Melina.
So here we are, next to this herd of Asian elephants. Did you know that they roam the tropical rainforest, grasslands, and other forests, primarily in the Southeast Asia? They primarily feed on leaves, fruit, bark, and shrubs. It's incredible how they have adaptations for various environments. For example, in deserts, they have large, long legs to manage heat and can detect hidden water beneath the ground. In swamps, their rigid pitted soles help them traverse muddy terrain, and their sensitive ears assist in hearing potential threats. They can also be found in eucalyptus forests, where their versatile trunks help them reach food. And when it comes to the aquatic environments, they are surprisingly excellent swimmers. Their skin retains moisture, which is crucial to survive in different habitats. Now we turn to the shrike. These tiny birds are quite remarkable. They thrive on low lands, semi-open areas, farmlands, fields, and mixed forests, primarily eating insects, small mammals, small birds, and lizards. Their adaptations are fascinating. In desert habitats, they can impale prey on thorns and utilize their sharp hooked beaks to catch and store food. In swamps, they perform a unique drop pounce from perches and can even mimic the calls of other birds. In the eucalyptus forest, they scout from above and are known to be territorial. Lastly, in the ocean reefs, they use jagged rocks for storing their food. Now back to our host, Eduardo.
Okay. So the Asian elephant roams the tropical forests of Indonesia when all of a sudden it gets teleported due to MMA magic to the middle of the North Pacific Ocean. At the same time, the shark flies around when it also gets teleported due to the ocean. The elephant falls all the way down, splashing into the ocean. Luckily for him, the elephant can swim. Above the elephant, the shrike notices the change of scenery but doesn't care too much about it. As the shrike glides freely, the elephant is hungry and starts to dive down to find food. Looking and feeling all the coral and all sorts of plants. To its concern, it is unable to grab anything edible. Above water, the shrike scans the surface looking for fish small enough to eat. To its surprise, it sees a school of sardines swimming around and decides to dive down to get one.
I still think the strike can win since it can fly.
Really? Well, the elephant's still swimming, so there's still hope.
I'm still rooting for the underdog.
Now back to Eduardo.
The elephant is trying to stay afloat on the surface of the ocean, still scanning around to see if any other foods are available. The shrike sees the floating elephant and drifts onto its back to enjoy its fishy meal. After some time, the elephant starts to struggle to stay afloat. The shrike kicks back, going back and forth from catching prey and eating on the back of the struggling elephant. After a while of this, the shrike decides it's time to find more prey than just the sardines. It takes off flying around, browsing the tiny fish, and in the end, the elephant can no longer stay afloat and starts to sink, slowly losing its breath.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
Losing its breath. The shrike wins the marshmallow madness. The shrike wins the marshmallow madness. Hey!
And that's wraps. Make sure you like and hit that subscribe button in the face and ring that bell. See you guys next time. Bye.